Well, I think that cooperation between different parties is the key element. So I working for a university, and I think that it's very important that we have some common project with local industry, and also the city that we are working for is closer to those operations. And also the future potential, I think that the students are very in different level in organization, universities, applied sciences, in high school. They are the future. So maybe we should more tightly cooperate with those students also, and who are the ones who are creating the jobs for city. Those are the growth startups. So that's why I think that very close cooperation with growth-seeking startups is very important. And not just only that city is providing services, but doing that kind of services that will help those startups to grow. So in different level, so the educational level, institutional level, startup level, I think that those are the key elements.